Hello everyone, good morning all. How are you? Fine? Very good. So class, now it's time to begin with your maths class. So you must have attended your previous period, completed that work. Don't continue that work in your maths class. If you have not completed, complete it later, but now it's time to start with our maths class. Okay? So let's begin with the date. So today is 19th August 2020. So what is the date, class? 19th August 2020. So you know 19, this 8 means August month, I have told you, and 2020 is the year going on. Now what is the day today? Today is Wednesday. What is the day? Wednesday. And in our maths class, we are going to learn a new concept. We are going to learn the concept of tall and short. So what is tall? Tall means lamba and short means छोटा. तो जो comparison हम आज सीखेंगे, that is on the basis of height. आपको याद है मैम ने कि long and short कराया था. Long means जो लंबा ऐसे होता है, लंबा यानी कि बड़ा, ठीक है. एंड हियर टॉल इज जो हाइट में लंबा है. लॉन्ग का मतलब होता है लाइक दिस. इफ आई गिव यू एन एग्जांपल ऑफ दिस स्टिक, ये ऐसे लॉन्ग हो गए यानी कि साइड वाइज लॉन्ग. हाइट मींस ऊपर जा रहा है, जो लॉन्ग, जो लेंथ ऊपर जा रही है, दैट मींस हाइट. जैसे हम हाइट काउंट करते हैं. क्लियर? सो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ टॉल? टॉल मींस लंबा, बट in the context of height. और height हमेशा straight ऊपर जाती है. long का मतलब होता है ऐसे भी long हो सकता है, वो ऐसे भी long हो सकता है, but this is called tall क्योंकि ये height है इसकी. So how we are going to compare two objects on height? Very first and simple example. सबसे पहला example आपके घर से बताते हैं. So when you are standing with your mama and papa, so मम्मा पापा इज टॉल, वो आपसे लंबे हैं और आप उनके वेस्ट लेवल पे आते हो. दिस इज योर वेस्ट. आप उनके वेस्ट तक आते हो, दैट मीन्स आपकी हाइट यहाँ तक है. बट मम्मा पापा लंबे हैं, दैट इज दे आर टॉल एंड यू आर शॉर्ट. क्लियर? सो वन एग्जाम्पल इज दिस. सेकेंड, इफ आई गिव यू, वी ऑल यूज दीज पेंसिल्स व्हेन वी आर डूइंग वर्क इन आवर नोटबुक. So I have 3 different pencils with me. One is this, second one is this, and the third one is grey. So one is black and silver, Apsara pencil, you all are aware. One I have little pink in color, or you can say reddish pink in color, and one I have is of grey color. So can you see the height of these 3 pencils? Can you compare them? चलिए एक को नीचे रखते हैं. We compare these two. So can you tell me which one is tall? Tall यानी लंबा. लंबा पेंसिल कौन सी है? Which one is tall pencil? This one. And this is short. And now if I compare these two ones, again which one is short? यही छोटी है. Okay. I'll compare these two pencils now. Which one is short? This one. क्योंकि ये उससे ज़्यादा लंबी है. So if I compare all the 3, अब मैं तीनों को compare करते हैं, तो tell me which is the shortest? सबसे छोटी कौन सी है? This one, isn't it? ये सबसे छोटी है. And which is the tallest? Tallest, सबसे बड़ी. This one, isn't it? ये देखो हमने इनको साथ में रखा and we are comparing it now. Can you see? This is the tallest and this is the shortest. Clear? So these are about pencils. One more thing which I can show you is these scales. Can you see them? So we use this scale to make lines and to measure the length of things. So one scale is tall, ये लंबा है, and one is short. ये देखो मैम ने दोनों को एक साथ पकड़ा at a level. Now tell me which one is long and which one is short? This iron scale is tall and this scale is short. Isn't it? So you have understood how to compare two things on the basis of their height, हाइट के बेसिस पे हम दो चीजों को कंपेयर कर सकते हैं, दैट इज टॉल एंड शॉर्ट. वन मोर एग्जांपल इज दिस वन. सी हियर, आपने देखा है मल्टी स्टोरी बिल्डिंग्स होती है लाइक ऑफिस और अपार्टमेंट्स. उसमें क्या होता है, बहुत सारे लेवल्स होते हैं अलग अलग घर के, एंड वी हैव दोज हाउसेस व्हिच हैव ओनली वन लेवल. अब आप मुझे बताइए इन दोनों में से टॉल हाउस यानी कि हाइट में जो बड़ा है, टॉल ऊंचा, कौन सा है? दिस वन, हाउस ए. हाउस ए इज टॉल एंड हाउस बी इज शॉर्ट. दिस इज हाउस बी and this is short, this is tall. Now when we compare these two trees, can you see here? मैंने उन दोनों को एक ही लेवल में बनाया है. Can you tell me which one is tall and which one is short? So this is A and this is B. So which tree is tall? Tree A. A is tall ना, वो लंबा है क्योंकि B tree जो है वो यहीं तक आ रहा है, ये तो ऊपर जा रहा है ना और भी ज्यादा. So this one is tall and this one is short. Clear everyone? Then few more example if I give you cupboard. आपने घर की cupboard देखी है? So bookshelf, the one in which you keep your book is short in height, but the one in which mama papa or you keep your clothes, मम्मा जिसमें आपके clothes रखती हैं, that is tall. वो लंबी होती है, बट बुक शेल्फ दे आर शॉर्ट, वो हाइट में कम होती है. देन वी हैव एग्जाम्पल ऑफ बर्ड. यस, बर्ड. मैंने आपको कल एक अल्फाबेट कराया था इन द प्रीवियस क्लास. यू रिमेंबर दैट अल्फाबेट? वी डिड अल्फाबेट ओ, ऑस्ट्रिच. कराया था ना मैम ने आपको, एंड देन मैम टोल्ड यू ऑस्ट्रिच इज अ वेरी बिग बर्ड. दिखाया था आपको मैम ने ड्रॉ करके. So if you compare that ostrich, big ostrich, with a sparrow या with a parrot, जो छोटी bird होती है, so whose height is more? किसकी height ज़्यादा है? Ostrich की, because that ostrich is having very long legs. उसकी जो legs हैं वो बहुत बड़ी हैं जो उसको tall bird बना देती हैं. अब as I asked you to compare yourself with your parents, आपके पेरेंट्स की जो लेग्स हैं वही उनको टॉल करती है ना आपसे. आप उनके वेस्ट तक आते हो एंड दे आर टॉलर देन यू. देन कैन कंपेयर टू बुक्स ऑल्सो. सी आई हैव टू बुक्स टू कंपेयर. सो इफ वी टेक योर मैथ्स बुक, सो यू ऑल आर हैविंग योर मैथ्स बुक. सो दिस इज योर मैथ्स बुक. सो हाइट ऑफ दिस मैथ्स बुक एंड हाइट ऑफ दिस डायरी. कैन यू सी? कंपेयर. आई जस्ट शो यू वंस. One second. Yes, like this if I keep it. अब आप मुझे बताइए which one is tall? Tall कौन सी है? Your maths book is tall ना? Maths book ऊपर तक जा रही है, but ये तो यहीं आ गई. They both are at the same level. और maths book कैसी है? It's a tall book. वो लंबी ज़्यादा है in comparison to this diary. Is it clear to all of you how we can compare two objects on the basis of their length? So if I ask you to do this, see, this one scale is this and one scale is this. So which one is tall? Iron scale is tall. Now I open this pointer of mine. अब मैम ने आपको बोला compare these two. Is this pointer visible? Okay, this much. ऐसे. अब ये दोनों they are on the same level. So tell me which one is tall? Scale or this pointer? This pointer is tall now. So the object when we are comparing on the basis of their length, their height, that means जो object बड़ा है, जिसकी height ज़्यादा है, we say that object is tall. We call it tall, जिसकी height ज़्यादा है. If we are comparing 3 objects, 4 objects, उसमें जो सबसे ज़्यादा height जिसकी है, that is tallest. Clear? और जिसकी height कम होती है, that object is referred as short. So tall means having big height or yeah, having ज़्यादा हाइट एंड शॉर्ट मीन्स जिसकी हाइट कम होती है. Is that clear? So tall and short is always compared on height. Long and short is compared on length. Clear everyone? Now moving towards the work in the book today. So please open your book on page number 16. So class, in book we are going to do work on page number 16 as your classwork and page number 17 as your homework. Clear? So open your book and I'll tell you how you have to do this work. Okay class? So class, now in your maths book, that is number book 1, you have to open page number 16. Clear? So open page number 16 and there you will find the topic tall and short. So the first thing we have to do is we are going to write today's date here. So what is the date today? Today is 19th August 2020. Clear? So you have written your date. And as I told you, page number 16 is your classwork. So what you have to do? You have to write CW like this. Written everyone? Now what you have to do? Tick the tall thing in each set. So just read this question with me. Tick. That means you have to put a tick mark the tall things in each set. In every set, can you see? 4 sets are given to you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what we have to do? We have to see which picture is tall. And we are going to put a tick mark there. Clear? So when we are comparing this bird sitter, we have 2 things. One on which a yellow bird is sitting and one on which a pink bird is sitting. So which one is tall? Yellow bird or pink bird? The one on which yellow bird is sitting, isn't it? So what we'll do, we'll put a tick mark here. Like this, we'll put a tick mark. Now moving to the next, there are 2 different houses. So one house is tall and one is short. So now tell me which one is tall? One which is blue in color or one which is brown in color? Which one is tall? Blue color house. Yes. So what you are going to do? You are going to put a tick mark on the blue color house. So this is the one we are going to do. So what we are going to do? We will put a tick mark here. Clear? Now in the next picture, we have 2 dolls. One who is wearing purple dress and the one who is wearing red dress. So can you tell me, my dear students, which doll is tall? Purple dress or the red color dress? Which doll is tall? कौन सी डॉल लंबी है? हाइट किसकी ज़्यादा है? पर्पल ड्रेस वाली डॉल की या रेड ड्रेस वाली डॉल की? It's the one in purple dress. Yes. So what we are going to do? We are going to put a tick here. Done. Now we have 2 trees. One is this tree and one is a coconut tree. Can you see some coconuts are also hanging here? आप जो ये summers में coconut water पीते हो ना? So those coconuts come from this tree. Can you see? Some coconuts are also seen here. Okay. So can you tell me which tree is tall? Coconut tree or the other tree? Which tree is tall? The one which is having coconuts. Yes, जो coconut tree होता है ना, बहुत tall होता है ये. So what we are going to do? We are going to put a tick here like this. Done all. Now moving to the next page number, that is page number 17. So this page number 17 is your homework for the day. So first thing what you are going to do, we are going to write today's date. 19th August 2020. And this is our homework. So what we have to do, I'm going to write HW like this. Done? So now what the question says? It says color the tallest one in each set. So now again there are 4 different set of pictures given to you. We have Christmas tree, we have birds, we have cupboards, and we have some glasses. So what you have to do? You have to color the one which is tallest. मैम ने बताया था ना, tallest जो सबसे लंबा होता है. So what we have to do? We are going to compare the height of these given objects and we will color the one which is tallest. Clear? So now for this tree what I'll do? I'll take green color. So again pencil colors to be taken while doing work in the book, while doing coloring in the book. So what I'll do? I'll take this green color pencil. Now tell me which tree to be colored? A, B, C. Which tree should I color? Which is the tallest one? A. Yes. So what I'll do? I'll color this tree now. So let's begin coloring here. So class, can you see how I am doing the coloring part? So like this, we will color the tallest object, and here which tree is tallest? The one which is at the first. That means A. Tree A is tallest here. Now tell me, tree का जो trunk होता है, is that also green in color? No. So for that, I am going to take this brown color like this. Okay. Now moving to the next one, we have 3 birds. One we have parrot, then we have an ostrich, and last we have a duck. So which is the tallest bird here? Ostrich. Yes. So you are going to color in this ostrich. So how you are going to color? I have told you in one. Rest of the 3 to be colored by you. Then we have these 3 cupboards. So what you have to do? You have to compare their height and you have to color the tallest cupboard, जो सबसे लंबी cupboard है. Clear? Then we have these 3 glasses. So for this you can also take an example. घर पे भी होते हैं ना? Small babies have small glass. Papa takes a bigger one. So what you have to do? You have to compare these 3 glasses and color that glass which is tallest. And tallest means सबसे लंबा. Yes. So you all have understood now? So class, I hope that you have understood both your classwork and your homework and must have understood how to do this work in the book as well. Great. So just giving a quick revision of what we have done. We have learned to compare given objects. यानी कि जो objects हमें दिए गए हैं उनको compare करना. कैसे? उनकी height के ऊपर. On the basis of their height. Which object is tall? Tall means lamba. And which object is short? Short means chota. Is that clear to all of you? So now complete your work and get ready for the next class. So can anyone tell me which is the next period today? Yes, you all love that period a lot and I have something really surprising for that next class. So complete your work fast and get ready for the next class. Okay?